Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, if you are preparing for coming exam, you can subscribe my channel to get a series of practice set that will help you much. This is set number 1. So let's start. Question number 1. Sally uses Tarjarima in To a Skylar, Ode to Naples, Ode to the West Wind, The Cloud. Answer is Ode to the West Wind. Question number 2. Epic theatre is associated with the works of Rabindranath Tagore, Bridge, Beckett, Utpal Datta. Answer is B. Bridged. Question number 3. Golding's Lord of the Flies was written as a counterpoint to the Treasure Island, the Henry Island, the Coral Island, none of these. Answer is C. The Coral Island. Question number 4. The Tuscan artist is Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Dante, Galileo. Answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 5. Fair is foul and foul is fair. This is an example of Litotes, Chiasmus, Hendiades, Zeugma. Answer is B. Chiasmus. Question number 6. Spenser's Fairy Queen was influenced to a great extent by Horace's Odes, Homer's Iliad, Ariosto's Orlando Furioso, Roman de la Rose. Answer is D. Roman de la Rose. Question number 7. The publication of which famous romantic work coincides French Revolution? A. Lyrical Ballads, B. Poems in 2 volumes, C. Songs of Innocence, D. Poetical sketches. Answer is A. Lyrical Ballads. Question number 8. I am the enemy you killed, my friend, is a line which appears in Edward Thomas A Tale, B. Wilfred Owen's Dead Man's Dump, C. Rudyard Kipling The Blood of East and West, D. Wilfred Owen's Trench Meeting. Answer is D. Wilfred Owen's Trench Meeting. Question number 9. Unaccustomed Earth is a collection of short stories by A. Ruskin Bond, B. R.K. Narayan, C. Jhumpa Lahiri, D. Thomas Hardy. Answer is Jhumpa Lahiri, C. Question number 10. The author of The Vision of Judgment, A. John Clara, B. Lord Byron, C. Robert Southey, D. P.B. Shelley. Answer is B. Lord Byron. Question number 11. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was dedicated to A. William Godwin, B. John Keats, C. Lord Byron, D. P.B. Shelley. Answer is William Godwin. Question number 12. Oliver Twist is Dickens's first novel, second novel, third novel, none of these. Answer is second novel. Question number 13. Who is the author of Human Bondage? A. Aldous Huxley, B. William Faulkner, C. William Somerset Maugham, D. None of these. Answer is Somerset Maugham, C. Question number 14. She was born in Hyderabad, was advised by an English poet to write like an Indian. Her name was A. Toru Dutt, B. Kamala Das, C. Meena Alexander, D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer is D. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 15. Square Allworthy is a character in A. Tom Jones, B. Pamela, C. Sisters to Conquer, D. The School for Scandal. Answer is Tom Jones. Question number 16. Consolation of Philosophy is a work originally written by A. Pope Gregory, B. Bede, C. St. Augustine, D. Boethius. Answer is Boethius, D. Question number 17. Hardy's fictional town of Casterbridge is based on the town of Dorset, B. Wessex, C. Lancaster, D. Dorchester. Answer is B. Wessex. Question number 18. The Restoration tragedy was influenced by Molière, Corneille, Ben Jonson, Shakespeare. Answer is C. Ben Jonson. Question number 19. Selves called, selves can't. This is how Shakespeare is described by A. Matthew Arnold, B. Thomas Carlyle, C. Samuel Johnson, D. Ben Jonson. Answer is A. Matthew Arnold. Question number 20. Belial is a character in Milton's Paradise Lost, Samsung Agonist, Paradise Regent, El Allegro. Question number 21. The novel North and South is written by A. Elizabeth Gaskell, B. Emily Bronte, C. Jane Austen, D. George Eliot. Answer is A. Elizabeth Gaskell. Question number 22. By using the phrase adamantine chains, Milton alludes to A. Plutarch, B. Aeneas, C. Prometheus, D. Moses. Answer is D. Moses. Next question. The love song of J. Alfred Prufrock was first published in May 1917, B. September 1915, C. June 1915, D. None of these. Answer is C. June 1915. Question number 24. The term carpe diem originates in the work of Horace, Plautus, Andrew Marvell, Petrarch. Answer is A. Horace. Question number 25. Who popularized the usage of the word Philistine as a person deficient in culture? A. Frederick Sizzler, B. Matthew Arnold, C. Thomas Carlyle, D. None of these. Answer is B. Matthew Arnold. Question number 26. The 1964 classic film My Fair Lady is an adaptation of A. Candida, B. The Lady of Lyons, C. Pygmalion, D. Androcelus and the Lion. Answer is C. Pygmalion. Question number 27. Which of the following novels was described by D.H. Lawrence as thought adventure? A. Kangaroo, B. Woman in Love, C. Lady Chatterley's Lover, D. Sonson Lover. Answer is A. Kangaroo. Question number 28. Shakespeare's sonnet was first printed by Michael Drayton, Thomas Campion, Thomas Thorpe, Thomas Middleton. Answer is C. Thomas Thorpe. Question number 29. A 20th century play based on a 17th century witch trial is authored by Christopher Isherwood, B. Arthur Miller, C. Tennessee Williams, D. W. Chaden. Answer is B. Arthur Miller. Question number 30. Tom Jones has A. 18 books, B. 19 books, C. 20 books, D. 21 books. Answer is A. 18 books. Thank you very much. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.